In this tutorial I'm explain how to make this cliff, and it's used open source tools and export it from Blender. These are the open source tools which I used in this tutorial. This is the rock brush which you can download from Blender Swap, and you have to make Blender Swap account for that. And this tool is made by Rubberduck. Second tool is Unity Texture Packer, which is made by DBC. And this is the texture from cc0textures.com, and there's a Creative Commons license textures which you can use, and it's quite handy. And this part I'm making Blender material, and actually you don't really need Blender material for making this because it's not used in Unity. You have to make it again, but you have to check those UV maps with Blender, so for that I'm making this material. You can make this kind of node with pressing Shift A, and you can duplicate it with Shift D as usual. First I'm making base color node, and after that I'm using roughness map and displacement map and normal map, and other three uses non-color color space. And connect this yellow dot to another yellow dot, and next one to roughness. Next one is bump node, and you can use this search for. And also normal map. This bump node makes a kind of bumpy surface. And next I'm appending those rock brushes which I downloaded from Blender Swap. And then choose brush. And select those brushes from RB01. And OK. And create the plane with Shift A. And add loop cuts with Ctrl R. And make base shape which you want. And add loop cuts again. Then go back to object mode and add modifier, which is multi-resolution. And I subdivide it like 7 times, but this depends your computer power. And then go to sculpt mode and choose your brush. And I guess this is very fun part. And if it looks okay, then go back to object mode. Then apply the multi-resolution. Then apply the decimate modifier. This modifier reduces the face count, which is almost 1 million right now. This is small tips, put the number directly to the field. If you use this slider, it will lag your computer. And I applied once because I guess it's gonna save some RAM. With this decimate tool you can make LOD system. And in this time I reduced face count to 97,000. And let's say it's okay for this purpose. This part is assigning shader and deciding UV map. Opening a UV editor, you can rescale UV map and making some changes here. With some try and error, cube projection was best UV mapping this time. And I'm rescaling UV map here. If you're exporting only mesh, then don't check those camera and lamp and armature. They will increase file size. This is how to install texture packer. Open the package manager and select add package from disk. Find this package.json file where you saved texture packer from GitHub. And you can find channel packer from window tab. Basically this tool creates a mask map for HDRP. Basically HDRP saves different map information for RGBA channel, which means red color channel is metallic and green is occlusion and blue is detail mask and alpha is smoothness. And in this time I didn't have metallic information for this rock, so I left it empty. I hope it's okay. And save the mask map. And then create the HDRP lit material and let's assign those textures. Put the color texture to base map. It's just a diffuse texture. And normal texture to normal map. And just create a mask texture to mask map here. And then you can adjust those sliders. And then assign that cliff, or I mean rock shader to cliff, prefab or FBX, and then assign that to scene. And let's make some tests. And I'm assigning here some grasses and rocks and using prefab plus tool for it. And this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you something. If you like this video, please thumbs up or subscribe. See you next time. Bye.